Tell me, who wants the advance salary?
Actually,
Grandpa, assume it. I mean, the tiffin lady wants it.
Yash, you don't make any emotional decision when it comes to business. Have you thought it over properly?
I know what you mean, Grandpa, but I'm not making an emotional decision here. I've thought about it well, and I feel she really deserves it. You always say that.
Yes, it's correct. I did say that employees who work for us need to be helped in times of need. It's our duty. If a man is honest, yes, we must help him out. She's such a good cook. She can't be a bad person anyway. You can sponsor her without any worries. I just wanted your decision about this. Nothing else. But please watch out. Such people get linked to you for a lifetime. Remember that.
For a lifetime?
Yes.
Oh dear God, that is a problem.
What tension? What stress?
No, Grandpa, when someone came into his life because of a tiffin, all of this happened. Now if such people come into his life, what else will happen?
Yes.
Poor Yash.
Yes, really, poor Yash. I swear, I agree.
So
Poor
sad,
Yash.
poor Yash.
Hey, Yash, one moment. Please listen to me.
Neha, I'm really sorry about this, Tiffin.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Thank you.
I'm in a very good mood today.
Are you?
Today has been a very lucky day for me.
Why?
I got back my tiffin today. I think my advance salary will also get done today. You should get what you want to.
What do I need?
One moment, wait. Shefali,
Yes, Neha?
come here.
Tell me.
Shefali, how do you like Yash?
Oh, come
Yash.
on.
Yes. Super cute. Very good friend of mine.
See?
Not like that. Think of him as a life partner.
Oh, dear God.
Hello, Neha. You know it, right? I only think of Sameer sir as my partner.
See?
No, I mean, you're really nice, Yash. You're super cute. But I have decided, I just want the guy with 5 million. That's why Sameer sir is perfect for me.
But what if he is in love with someone else?
No, Neha. It's not like that at all. Yash, it's not like that, right? Yes.
You both look so good together.
Don't talk nonsense. Besides, even if Sameer sir is involved with someone, I will make him fall in love with me. You know what love is like? You can fall in love many times.
Many times.
Yes, I have fallen in love at least 3-4 times. Sometimes, love is right in front of us, but we don't see it.
Hello? Mr. Patil? Yes, Neha Kamath speaking. Are you renting out your house? Is the address the same as on the website? Can I come and see it today? Okay, thank you. Hello? Mr. Desai? This is Neha Kamath speaking. You want to give your house on rent, right? Can I come over to see it today? No, I'm going to be in that area, that is why. Yes, I will come after work. Okay, thank you.
Neha, You've been looking out for homes since a while now. Why are you getting so stressed out?
I have to get stressed out, right? The place where I live in all set at present. Uncle Bantu and aunt take care of Pari, so I don't have to worry about her. But with an impending shift, I must check the area, the security, the neighbors. Is the market closed or not? Is the station close by or not? I must check all that out, right? I'm bound to get tensed.
No, but why are you stressing out? The Paranjpai lawyer said it'll be fine, right?
Yes, he said so, but why not seek out an option?
So, what are we doing about Neha's advance salary? Ask Garthonde, please.
Garthonde?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Did sir call you?
No. He wanted a file some time ago. I gave him that, but he doesn't remember it, right?
I see. Let me go now.
Who's coming with you? I mean, Shefali or anyone else?
No.
Are you going alone?
Yes, why?
Will you go and look at homes alone?
Yes.
Let me come along.
Why?
No, I need your help. I'm looking for a new house too. There is too many problems at the old house. The house owner wants more rent, so I must change, So you must actually help me out. In the bargain, I'll also check it out. That is only if you're okay.
No. Let's go.
Okay. Rickshaw! 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 Rick! Rickshaw? 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 Rickshaw?
Rickshaw! Come here! It's okay. It's all about the luck. Come on.
Let's go, sir, and please take it easy.
Is it you again?
It's you!
Hey, sir, it's you!
This is good.
What's so good about it? That's fine. You should drive easy, not too fast.
Ma'am, listen to him speak.
Yash, please calm down. Sir, you can drive fast.
What are you saying to him, Neha? Why are you telling him to speed up? Please slow down, sir.
Ma'am, do not worry. I will drive properly. Ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Where did you meet this one?
In a helicopter.
What are you saying? Don't mock me.
I mean it. I met him in a helicopter.
Is it his own?
Yes. I mean, it belongs to our,
It belongs to our boss.
I say people should use their own cars.
It's a helicopter, not a car.
That's what I mean. But it belongs to someone else. This is what I like. I own this rickshaw, okay? Yes, I take it out anytime I want. If I don't want to, I don't drive it. What's mine is mine. What someone else's is their own. Look, this is our road. We own our homes. We own our vehicle. One must live like a king. See? Live like that. You must have it all. And it must be your own. Why sit in anyone else's vehicle? It belongs to someone else. But you say it's your own. What is the point of doing that? I don't like all of that. It must be your own.
Okay, that's all very good. Can you just drive slowly, please?
Just stop right here.
Thank you, dear God. You got us in one piece.
Good evening.
Good
ma'am.
evening. Good evening, everyone. Gartonde, are they on holiday as well today? Gartonde, do we pay the staff for doing nothing at all?
What can I say, ma'am? Sir has been coming to the office, and since then I can't run anything.
You can't run anything. But I can. I'll speak to your boss. Get back to your work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, what a surprise. Aunt Seema. What a surprise. You've come to the office today?
Sameer, I have told you so many times. Don't call me aunt. Call me Simi, okay?
Okay, Simi.
Where is Yash?
Yash went out for a meeting. He will be back in some time. But why are you here in the office suddenly? A casual visit, right?
Of course.
Okay.
I thought I have not been here in a while. I should go.
Great, please have a seat. Can I get you tea or coffee? Should
No,
I?
thanks. Sameer, you know Gartonde?
Yes.
He would need an advance salary worth 1 crore. And he really needs it. And you know that our employees are like our family members, right? We must help them, correct? No matter what, correct?
Okay, Aunt Simi. But I think in this case we should ask Yash
Gartonde,
and...
your job is done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mention not. Okay then, let me meet our other employees. I'm sorry. Let me meet our other family members. I'll be right back. Gartonde,
I'm coming. I'm coming, madam. Ma'am, this is an amazing house. You won't find such a house in this locality. And sir, you like the house too, right?
Yes, it's lovely.
It's not just lovely, there is a park below. There is a school nearby. I tell you, your daughter will love it over here. And honestly speaking, it's the best home for couples like you.
Hey, he isn't my husband.
He's not? He's... I thought that...
Ma'am, actually, the owner want to rent out the house to a family.
But my daughter and I are the only family.
No, the owner won't agree to that. He thinks if a woman is alone, then... No, ma'am. Sorry. It can't be done.
excuse me? Excuse me! Come here! Come here! How are you all doing?
We are fine, madam. How are you?
Just fine. I hope you don't have any issue while working, right?
Not at all, madam. In fact, sir is taking very good care of all of us.
Great. If you have any issue, despite that, we will resolve them. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Go. Back to your work.
Do you have a job?
Yes.
Oh, that's right. These days, if you want to run a house, both husband and wife must do a job. But if you both earn, then you will find it easy to pay the rent, right?
Aunt, you are mistaken. He isn't my husband.
He isn't your husband. Then who is he?
He is my friend.
Friend? You mean a pal? Where is your husband then? Did you bring a friend to choose a house? What is it?
Ma'am, how does it matter? I mean, she'll pay rent.
It matters. Our society won't stand for any of this. I don't mind, okay? But you can't silence everyone in the society, right? Even you can't get the agreement signed without the society's approval.
No, but listen to me.
It's okay, Aunt.
Renting to such folks will give us a bad image in this complex. I'm happy that they have gone away.
Hello, I'm Neha Kamath. I called you today.
Yes. Is he your husband?
Yes. I am her husband.
Oh, wow. Nice. It's a family, so it's not an issue. Otherwise, it's very difficult, you know. Look here. This is the hall. It's nice and airy. Look at this. This is the balcony.
Wow.
Before this, I gave a house to some girls on rent. They had so many issues, I tell you. They said they are a family and a boy and a girl stayed here together. Let's forget about that. Let's see the kitchen. See, this is the kitchen. Come. Look at this. The tap provides 24/7
Nice.
water supply. Okay. And this direction is east. This window is placed to give you maximum sunlight.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice, nice.
Now come this way. Now look at this bedroom. It has an attached toilet and a balcony too. Isn't it nice and airy? I tell you, the people nearby are very nice too.
I see.
And the rent is 15,000. We can reduce it further too. So, do you like the house?
Yes, it's really nice. Can we speak and let you know about it?
Yes, that will do.
Are you insane or what? What did you say? That you are my husband?
I'm sorry, Neha. I didn't mean it. I was just saying that to get it over and done with. Everyone kept looking at you accusingly. They asked you the most random questions,
So
I...
should you lie? You dealt with the situation for today. What about the future? What if we have to stay here? Will you come and live in a house as well?
I'm sorry.
Yes, hello, Paranspe.
Miss Neha,
Yes, tell me.
how are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
So have you started checking out homes? I mean, we spoke about it.
Yes, that's it. I'm in Thane only looking at homes.
Oh, so you are in the vicinity.
Yes.
I called you just in time then. I have a flat in this area. I wish to rent it out. See if you can find the time to check that out too.
Okay. Can you message me the address?
Of course. I'll send it at once. I'm right here. You can come over.
Okay, I'll be there in 30 minutes.
Okay.
Listen, you deal with things temporarily by making promises to Pari as well. Please don't do that. She is still a child. She remembers things she is told once. Your behavior can cause problems.
Neha, what Shefali said is quite possible.
What?
One can fall in love again.